Hi, my name is Avi and I'm here at ISE 2026 with our partner Qbic. What I'd like to show you what we have here on display, and we'll start first of all from the common kits that you see here on my left, which is what we use by meeting rooms. So these devices are the TD-1060 and TD-1070. They have slightly different capabilities, but as you can see, they currently show what the status of a meeting room is. They're very rich devices. They have a lot of features. From the hardware perspective, they make the ownership of kit low. They allow us to update devices on the network, in the internal network, work inside your firewall without the need to go to the outside world. And that applies both to the firmware and to the applications. The applications themselves can be branded. They run in 23 languages. They can do lots of things. All of this is designed to improve the utilization of your meeting rooms. We move forward here to our wayfinding display. This is in fact one of 5 different displays. What you see here is the Door Tablet floor plan. It provides you with a full view of the meeting rooms in this particular part of the building. You can display multiple floor plans if you so wish, but the key things here, it's fully interactive. You can see what the status, of course, but you can also book meeting rooms, check in, see who participates and so forth. Obviously, floor plans give you a snapshot of what's happening right now, but if you wanted to see the flow of your occupancy, you can touch here on the bars, the display changes, and you can now see all your meeting rooms and how the booking is looking at this time. In here we can see the agenda of each meeting room, and if it's a little bit too much information, you can squeeze this and you can see what the status is. Again, this is also fully interactive. Also from this display, I can touch on a space and a time, tap in my PIN and reserve the space. We can also integrate to this RFID readers, so in terms of identity, we can streamline this process just as much as we can do here. Incidentally, one of the differences between these have RFID built in, NFC, HID radio. Some of the devices do not have that. So moving forward at the small devices that you see at the top, some are used for either desks. They can also be used for non-bookable spaces. They can be used for phone booths, etc. Couple these with motion sensors. We can tell you exactly if spaces are occupied. And of course, there's some additional functionality that we offer using motion sensors. What you see here, those 2 devices, they are actually e-paper devices. Again, it's a different model, different operational model when you use e-papers. To top it all, what we have here is a new piece of kit from Qbic. It allows you to connect your laptop to this. This will also connect to multiple devices, and as you can see from the display, it actually shows who booked the meeting room, and it shows the status, coupled with the fact that we have a beautiful red light here at the bottom, can see it from afar. So this is what you see here today at ISE 2026. To see more information about Door Tablet, you can go to doortablet.com, so it's door-tablet.com. Come and engage with us. We'd love to speak to you. And of course, we are open to any questions you might have, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you for listening.